Okay, so I'm doing my book report on how to make homemade brownies. And first you turn it on, and then you turn it up to 350 degrees. So you're gonna spray the pan so the brownies don't stick to it. Okay, so you get 1 cup of butter, and then you're gonna melt them in the pan. Once the butter is melted all the way, and it's melting right now, once it's melted all the way, we will add 2 cups of sugar. Okay, so then after it's melted, you remove it from the oven and turn off the oven, and then you pour the sugar in. Okay, so next you add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and then dump it into the pot. That's 2. So now we're gonna crack 4 eggs and add them to the pot, and I have already cracked 1. So now I'm gonna crack 3 more. Now that I've cracked all 4 eggs, I will add it into the pot and then stir them together. Okay, they're all in. Okay, now I'm just gonna stir until it gets all juicy. Okay, so I have mixed all of the eggs and all of the ingredients together, and now I'm gonna add 2/3 of chocolate cocoa. Okay, so now you will add 1 cup of flour. Okay, so now you are gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so the last ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So now I'm gonna mix all of the ingredients together. I'm gonna turn on the mixer and then just mix. So now it is mixed and it looks real tasty, and now I'm gonna dump it out into the pan. Okay, so now it is all dumped in the pan and ready to go in the oven. And make sure you have your oven set for 350 degrees. And then, okay, so now you're gonna turn on the timer and set it up to 40 minutes. So the timer just finished. I turned off the timer, and the brownies are all ready, and I'm gonna pull them out. Okay, they're all done. Okay, so I started putting powdered sugar on it and kind of just keep going until there's just a little bit on everywhere. And then you are done. And then you can enjoy the brownies after you cut them.